Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how does if function works in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Open Excel in Windows 11. Click on the Windows 11 search bar. Tap Excel and select the Excel app that appears. A blank Excel workbook will open. Define a name for a cell in the blank Excel workbook. Select any cell where you want to define a name. Go to the formulas. Tap in the Excel ribbon. Click on Define Name. In the New Name dialog box, give the cell a name. For example, let's say you name it Final Status. Or we can write Candidate Age, anything. Now click on to the scope and go to the Sheet 1. Click on to OK button. And now you can see the final status. Type it the same over here, the final status. So, we will be making a table to make you understand more about if function of MS Excel. Setting up the if function. Now, let's assume you have a list of candidate age in another column, let's say column I. In an adjacent column, example column L, you can use the if function to determine whether a candidate is accepted or rejected based on their age. So, here's an example formula is equal to if bracket I4 is equal to greater than 18, comma, open the quotation mark, write accepted, then close it, comma, then again for rejected. Now you can see in the final status it is showing that for Molly it has been accepted. Now you may apply the formula to other cells also. Drag the formula down to apply it to other cells. Now when you apply this for every candidate, you will be able to see that some are rejected and some are accepted according to the age group criteria. We see that Siddhi, who is 17 years old, is rejected because the criteria is above 18 in column L. Khush, who is 16 years old, male, from Chennai, he has been rejected because he is not eligible as per the company's requirement. So in this we learned that how does the if function works in Microsoft Excel. So if you like this video, do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.